what's up, new scrolls? Come on, viewers and files. Welcome, thank you for tuning in. Alright, so I am going to do a video on the best concealers that I like to use, and also concealers that I like to use for my dark circles, like which is best. And I was inspired to do this by one of my sis. They sent me an email and they was like, you know, what's good for dark circles? And I was like, oh, yeah, I should do a video on that. I haven't done a video on like my best concealers or what have you. So I'm doing a video today on it, and I didn't know what to record today. So I was like, let me just record this. So I'm going to talk about today is the best concealers that I have been using for dark circles, and what concealers and correctors that I like to use as well, and concealers that I have to use for my eyebrows and stuff like that, so you guys can have an idea of that too. So we're going to start with the concealers for the dark circles, and I'm going to do a picture within a picture, and I'll be looking at some, because I have some of them here, but I don't have all of them here. So yeah, so the first thing that I've been using is my Maybelline Master Camo, and as you guys can see, I done hit pan and everything. I use the orange concealer, and the orange corrector, and I use this concealer right here in the middle. I've only used these two. I haven't used the other ones. It's a highlighter, and these are other ones, and I purchased this from CVS. I love this. This is in a color, this is deep 300, and I use this all the time. I've been using this for a good while. This is very great. I really do like this. It's very lightweight. I don't think it's drying. I have very dry skin, as y'all know. I have dry skin, and so it's not heavy, it's not liquidy. It's like a nice, you know, like a nice, if it does feel like a nice moisturizer. It doesn't you know, make your under eyes dry. So this would be a good one to use, especially if you have dry skin or any other skin conditions. I would say to try this because it's not too oily. It's like in between, you know. So I really do like this a lot. So this is the Maybelline Master Camo. I will have everything in the description bar below, so you guys could go check it out. But I did purchase this from CVS, okay? And then I have these two concealers from ColourPop. You have to go to the ColourPop website. I will put it down in the description bar below. These were trending. These highlighters were trending, okay? In the YouTube world, and I finally have got my hands on it after the fire went down, after the smoke cleared, okay? And these are the ColourPop concealer, the no filter concealer. I apologize. And mine is almost done. If you probably could see, it's almost finished. So I have the color deep golden, the color deep. So I love these two. I've been using this for a while. I probably do need to re-up soon, so they're only $6. I don't know if the price went up, but when I purchased them, I believe they were $6. So I really do like these a lot. So these are very good. They do conceal your dark circles. Okay, I have this on now. I put the deep on first, and I put a deep golden on after, just to give my face a little bit, you know, under highlight, just a natural highlight, and that's it. But I've been using this for a while, so I definitely recommend this for dark circles. It's very good. It helps very well. Okay. Now, for my, also for my dark circles, I use the Maybelline color, I think Better Stay Skin or something like that. I don't know where it was. I was trying to look for it in my makeup collection, so I couldn't find it. So I'm gonna put a picture. I forgot the color that I had. I think it was a dark color. I think it was deep or something like that. But I've used that before in the past, but I haven't used it in a while. So but that was good for my dark circle, so I used that. So that was pretty good. I believe it was Maybelline Color Stay or Better Stay. I forgot what it was. I forgot, y'all. But anyway, so those are good for the dark circles. I really do like those a lot. And this is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I use this also to conceal. This is not the color that I use. The color that I use to conceal is Toast. I haven't used that in a while. I believe it's Toast. I use that, and then I'll proceed. Either Toast or Chestnut, I believe. And they're really good for concealing. But I haven't used them in a while. But I used them when I started my makeup. When I first started makeup, I was using that for a while. So, but yeah. So those are very good for concealing or omitting dark circles, and also the orange corrector in that collection for the LA Girl Pro Conceal is very good. But just know that it doesn't dry quickly, so when you do it, you just put, a little bit. Don't use too much, because it can be a little thick or a little bit, too wet, so you have to like let it sit or let it dry for a little bit before you apply like your powder and stuff like that. So you just want to make sure that, you know, you don't put on a lot. Okay, so I think that's why I kind of stopped using that, because it was a little bit too much. But just don't put too much, because when it comes out wet. It's not really like a, you know, the consistency is like a wet consistency, so you just got to be careful with that. But other than that, it's good, and for a good price, and you can purchase it from the beauty supply store. And now they're coming into, you know, CVS's, so, you know, be on the lookout for that. And also on the LA Girl collection, I use the color Warm Honey. I used to use Fawn. I do have Fawn also, but I use Warm Honey to conceal my eyebrows. I use this on the bottom and on the top. When you use this, you want to make sure that you don't, you know, us dark skin ladies, you just want to make sure that you get the halos, okay? Because, you know, we don't want to walk around with halos. You know, halos meaning the light spot right here. But if you like that look, go ahead. But I mean, I don't like that look, so, but it's up to you. You know, I'm not telling you how to do your makeup, boo, but, you know, I mean, that look, I don't know if it's trending, but yeah. But anyway, but I digress. So yeah, so I use Warm Honey. I don't use Fawn anymore. That color Fawn is the one that everybody uses on YouTube. I think everybody and their mama uses the color Fawn, okay? But I use Warm Honey. My YouTube sis, I saw her switch up to Warm Honey. I was like, oh, let me switch up to that. So yeah, so she's an MUA, so I was like, let me do what she do, because but that's basically about that, because she's an inspiration. Her name is QBC. I talk about her a lot. When I say that, you know, that's who I'm talking about. She's very inspiring. But anyway, yeah, go check her out, QBC. Okay, QBC, I'll put her information down in the description bar below. She's cool. You need to go follow her. But anyway, that's basically it about that. So, so the LA Girl Pro Conceal, you will find these in your beauty supply stores or CVS's. And that's basically it, y'all. So, yeah, so my favorites, these are basically my favorites, the ones that I have in my hands. I really do like this for dark circles. I really do love this Master Camo and the Color Pop and the concealer for my eyebrows. And then I was using it for my dark circles, but you can use this as a starter. They are not, they are, you know, they're inexpensive. They're like $3 or $4 at your local beauty supply store. These are like $6, and I forgot how much this costs, but I'll try to put in the description bar below. If I go to CVS tomorrow, if I see the price, I'll put in the description bar below, or look online or what have you, and just put that price down below, because if I don't go to the store tomorrow, you know, I don't want to leave that blank. So that's basically about that. So yeah, so I really do love these concealers. These are the best concealers for dark circles, and if you want to conceal your eyebrows and things of that nature. This is what this video is about. So I hope you found this helpful, and thank you for the inspiration, because I didn't know what video I was going to do today. So I was like, okay, that was good. Okay, so that's basically it about that. So yeah, so if you guys have any questions or anything in the case, please let me know. I did not do any reviews on I only did a review on the LA Girl Pro Conceal. I didn't do reviews on the Master Camo because I don't really think I need to do a review. You see me put it on, you see how it works. So yeah, but if you want me to do a review, I'll do it, but I don't know. But anyway, just hit the like button, share it, and subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications. I'm just tired, and I have to do one more video after this, because I'm going to have to do a video of this wear test of this makeup. I'm out of this foundation. So yeah, but that's basically it, you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, so if you have any questions or concerns, please let it ask. Ask comments below. Definitely ask me at marquina@gmail.com. If I forgot anything, I'll definitely annotate it in the video. All the items will be down in the description bar below. If you have any additional questions, please let me know. And that's basically about that, you guys. All right, so I don't think there's anything else. Just get these concealers and get started, all right? Because these are my faves, okay? You know. All right, that's it, you guys. Peace. Bye.